flip it all the way. Do you need help? Do you know that matches your backpack, Layla? Oh, what's in there?
It's a rubber ducky.
It's a princess ducky, isn't it? With a birthday present.
Can you take off the tag with the scissors on it?
Yeah, sure.
Look, Gabby, found paint. Look.
Yeah, the paint. Yay!
And now, can we bring this to a boiler?
You want to bring that to? You can bring it with you today.
But we can't put it in the bathroom. We'll get dirty.
Okay.
We can leave it out if you want.
I'm videotaping for my mom so she could see her.
Did you see what it is? Look. Cards.
And clips.
Yeah. Yay.
Wow.
I want to keep this in my hands.
Okay, so then keep it in your hand.
There might be some more stuff in there. Do you want to look?
Yes.
What is this?
I don't know.
Look. Is it a dress? And then look at what this is, Layla. Yay! What is that?
They're cat jammies.
Cat jammies. Aren't
Do
they
you like
cute?
Yeah.
That's it.
See, Mom, there's a piece of paper.
Yeah, it is a piece of paper. Did you love your present?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the camera and tell Grammy thank you.
Can you
Look
look
at the camera.
look at my phone and say thank you, Grammy Angel and Grampy,
Thank you, Grammy.
and thank you, Grampy.
And Jane, thank you, Grampy.
How about Molly? You can say thank you to Molly.
Thank you, Molly.
And blow a kiss.
Throw a kiss.
Mwah.